Some super easy artwork that you can do. So I have this canvas. They come in a pack of two at Five and Below, and then I have this pack of wood shims here. You can get them at any home improvement store. I'm taking the canvas. It had got a little messed up because I used it for something else, and I'm just going to glue down the wood shims. I'm going to use the whole pack of these. I'm not doing it in any special order, any special way. I'm just playing around with it, and I want to keep them kind of to one section because I want it to stay in that section. I am going to be gapping them out so they're not going to be like super close. I want them to look kind of staggered, but that's okay because I'm going to come back in later on and I'm going to fill in those spaces. But you could just leave it just like that. You could stain these. You could do this so many different ways. You can do the whole canvas with these, but I just said, like I said, I want to do that one little section with mine right there. So once everything was dry, I came in with some cork from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to mess around and fill in those big gaps that were there. But like I said, you don't have to do that. You can leave that as is. You can fill in all the lines. You can fill in everything and just use that as a base. You can do this in so many different ways. Once that dries, you can sand it down, smooth it out, but I just left mine rough. And then I spray paint it just carefully around just that section. And then that is how that came out. And then I took, and the footage got erased, but I bordered this black piece too with some gold. But right now I'm just taking and doing a baking soda and paint method because I want to give it a little more texture too. And I'm just going to take and put that on there. I my paintbrush was misplaced, so I was just using tissue to pat that down. I made a frame. I got these wood pieces from the home improvement store, and they're real cheap too. They only like a couple of dollars, and it's a really long piece. I was able to make two frames out of this for these both of these canvases, and then I still have some left over. So you'll just match up where you want it to go and then lay it out so that you can match up the other side, because it's going to have to butt up higher for the ones on the side or the ones going across based on how you do it. Then I laid them all out and I just glued mine together, and then you can glue it to the canvas. So this is just a real easy, simple way to make a frame. You can nail these, you can do so many different things, but this is just something real easy and real simple, especially if you are new to making canvases. So once that was all good and dried, I painted that black, and then this is how it came out. Hope it gave you some inspiration to go out and try to make some of your own artwork that will fit in with your decor and your personal space.